How to create a curtain like that in Cinema 4D. It's very easy, and let's get started. First, I'll create a plane. Change orientation to -z. Change width segments to 70. Height segments 50. Drag it along the x-axis in the front view. Increase width like that. Make it editable. Make sure that you are on the point mode. Use the rectangle selection tool. Then I selected the middle part of the plane and deleted it. So, basically I'm going to create a cube because I want it to be a floor. So what I'll do is I'll flatten it out and then I'll kind of stretch it. Okay. Now I'll go to plan and I'll name it curtain. Okay. Now right click, simulation tags, and I'll choose cloth. And play to see what's going on here. Right click on cube, simulation tags, and choose close collider. Then play again. I'm going to go into point mode, then I'll switch to the rectangle selection mode, and then I want to select all the points on the left side. Then go to Fix Point and click on Set. And play. And I'll name Cube Floor. Create a new cylinder. And I'll change orientation to -x. And I'll make it smaller, like that. And I'm placing that rod above the curtain. I'm going to make the rod the same size as the curtain. Make cylinder editable. Go to cylinder and go to point mode also, and I'll go to front mode. Now I'm going to start selecting some of the top points of the curtain using the rectangle tool. Right-click, go to Simulation Tags and choose Cloth Belt. Drag cylinder on belt on like that. Click on Set. Click on Cloth, then go to Forces, and I'll change gravity to -3. And I'll go to Tag, and I'll change iterations to 26, change flexion to 0, and set bounce to 0, and play. I'm going to create a null object, and then I'll take all of them and put them inside the null object, create symmetry. I want to and put null object on symmetry. Go to 20 frame, then I'll go to cylinder, then keyframe. Go a few frames forward and drag the cylinder a little bit like that. Then keyframe. Last thing, I'll create a subdivision surface. and I'll add symmetry on subdivision like that. Okay, this is our tutorial today, so if you like it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.